How to transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com.
First, go to the home screen and tap the account button located at the bottom. From there, select Crypto Wallet. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Next, tap Transfer and then select Withdraw. You will then be prompted to choose External Wallet. If you're entering a new address, tap Add Wallet Address. At this point, ensure you select the appropriate network for your destination wallet. For my Phantom wallet, I will choose the Solana network, but be sure to use the correct network for your own wallet. Copy the wallet address you intend to send to and paste it into the designated field. Optionally, you can give your wallet a name such as Phantom USDT. After adding a new wallet, there is a mandatory 24-hour security cooldown period before you can initiate a withdrawal. If you have just added the wallet, you will need to wait 24 hours before repeating these steps. However, if the wallet has already been approved, you can proceed with the withdrawal. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.